Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to start exercise. So hold your pencil and be ready.
Look at the exercise A. Listen to your teacher and read out section 1. She or he will read it out twice. Look at your textbook and follow what she or he reads. So, I told you to read these lessons 3 times, isn't it? And look at the section question B. Listen to your teacher and read out section 2. So, now you have to read out the section 2 and take the correct words to complete the sentences. So, at first you have to read the section 2. Then you can answer this one. Okay. A giant panda lives for about dash years. How many years they live? 35, 100, 25. How many years? 35. So take the option A. If a giant panda dash, we know it wants to scare away an enemy. If one enemy is coming means how do they make a sound? एक दुश्मन आते तो क्या करते वो? बार्क्स करते क्या? स्क्वील्स और ब्लीड्स. Yes, they used to barks. Next, if a giant panda dash, we know that it is pain. पांडा को दर्द हो रहे तो क्या करते हैं? बार्क्स, विंस और स्क्वील्स. स्क्वील्स. ओके. People hunt the giant panda for its dash. People hunting करते giant panda. क्या के लिए? फर के लिए क्या? बाम्बू और फॉरेस्ट. S for fur. Look at the exercise C. Work in pairs and complete this table about the giant panda. Use words or short phrases as given in the example. Appearance. What is the appearance of this giant panda? They are very large and heavy, ज़्यादा weight है. Big head, they are having big head, सबसे बड़ा head. Round ears, ear कैसा है? Round shape and short tail, and they have soft fur. In the same way, we have to write the color of it. What is the color of this giant panda? Black and white. So, write here black and white. Then, size. What is the size of this giant panda? Large. Large and about 6 feet tall, isn't it? About 6 feet tall, that we have learned in the story. Next one, movement. How they move? They are good climbers. They are good climbers. CLIMBERS, climbers, and they are not able to run. So not good at running. Not good at running. 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 Okay. Next one. Lifespan. How many years they live? Yes, only 35. 35 years. Their lifespan is only 35 years. Communication. How do they communicate? In a friendly, what do they do? In the friendly manner, what do they do? Yes, they will bleat. And to scare enemy, they will bark. And if in pain, if they are getting the pain means what do they do? Yes, they will squeal. SQUEAL. Okay, then if enemies is coming means, as it is there is no space, we will write here. So put the arrow mark here and write. Who are the enemies of this giant panda? Snow leopard. What is the spelling of leopard? L-E-A-P-A-R-D. Then eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Then yes, we are the enemy of this giant panda, mankind. People are the enemies of one of the enemy of the giant panda. Now look at the exercise D. Match the column to make complete sentences. The giant panda, female pandas, pandas make a sound, humans. And options are here. Have cat-like eyes, like a god's bleating, kill pandas for their fur. It is the symbol of peace in China, are called sauce. The giant panda is the symbol of peace in China, isn't it? Yes. So first you have to match with that. Next one, female pandas are called yes, sauce. So we have to match the option E. Pandas have cat-like eyes or like gods bleating or kill pandas for their fur. Yes, pandas have cat-like eyes. Pandas make a sound. What sound they make? Is like a god's bleating when they want to talk friendly manner. Then humans, what do the humans do? Yes, they will kill pandas for their fur. Okay, now see the exercise E. Fill in the missing letters to label the parts of the panda. What is this? Yes, ear. So write the spelling of ear, E-A-R, ear. Then what is it? S, shoulder, right? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Then what is this? S, thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Now look at what is this? S, head, H-E-A-D, head. And what is this part? Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. And what is it? Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Okay, is it clear? Look at the exercise F. Write short answers for these questions. You may use the notes you made in exercise C. By the help of exercise C, we can complete this question answer also. Only short answers. What color is the giant panda's fur? Giant pandas का fur का color क्या है? The color of giant panda's fur is black and white. What is the color of giant panda? Black and white. What do wild pandas eat? Wild pandas, what do they eat? They used to eat bamboos. Wild pandas eat bamboos. What do pandas living in zoos and other centers eat? Pandas living in zoos and other center means, what do they eat? They used to eat bamboo, rice cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. Isn't it? Yes, so we have to write the answer like this. The pandas living in the zoo and other centers eat bamboo, rice cereal, carrots, apples and sweet potatoes. Okay, next one. Where do we find giant panda? Where do we find giant panda? We find giant panda in China. Who is the greatest enemy of the panda and why? Who is the greatest enemy? सबसे dangerous enemy कौन है? Yes, we are the dangerous enemy of these pandas because we are cutting down the bamboos and we are hunting them for the fur, isn't it? So we have to write the answer like this. Mankind is the greatest enemy of the panda. Why? Because we kill pandas for fur and cutting down the bamboo forest, and they need to live and eat. So we are the greatest enemy. Okay. Now look at the thing and answer. In China, the panda is also known as the bamboo bear. Why do you think it is called this? In China, panda is also known as the bamboo bear. Why do they call? The pandas is also known as the bamboo bear because wild pandas eat only bamboos. They used to eat only bamboo for food. So they are called bamboo bear. Next one. Why do we say that soon there may be no pandas left in the world? Why do we say? Because the man continues to hunt them for their fur and cut down the forest where they live and eat. So there will not be pandas afterwards, isn't it? Now itself only 1000 pandas left that we have learned in the lesson, isn't it? Okay children, did you understand the exercises, question answers? Okay, question answers write in your copy and do the exercise in your book and study well. Okay, thank you.